Hi, this is EURUSD and today it's Thursday, 24th of April 2014 and the time is 21:19 GMT. We are looking at the H4 time frame of the pair, and before I start my analysis, I would like to explain to you which tools I'm using and why. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, which gives me the market situation picture at one glance. I'm using Bollinger Bands, which help me understand the maximum, the highest and the lowest point of the prices fluctuation within a certain zone, and during a cycle, during a wave of movement. I'm using fractals, Bill Williams indicator, which show me the resistance and the support levels, and stochastics on a separate pane, which in conjunction with Bollinger Bands help me understand the inner and smaller waves within the big wave and their limits, their upper and lower limits. So we see that biases are bullish. Let's go to the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, stochastics are angled upwards, showing that the price wants to make a strong bullish Kumo breakout here. We see the leading Kumo being horizontal but with a flat top and the belly down, which shows a bullish reversal pattern, although the price moves inside the Kumo for now on the monthly time frame. But the price has been moving for the last few months above the median Bollinger Band, and that's clearly bullish. Let's go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we see that the price made its statistical validation plunge down to the median Bollinger Band 1, 2, 3, 4 months ago. So we expect that it will continue its upward move, and stochastics being turned upwards confirm that. On the daily time frame, we see that the price made its statistical validation plunge down to the median Bollinger Band, where it formed a down fractal or a swing low, and then it reversed going upwards. This is a bullish continuation pattern, and now we can say with a high conviction that the price will go up, and stochastics confirm that because they show that they touched the 20 level line, and now they are both turned upwards. So we will seek a nice entry on the H4 time frame, and taking into account Ichimoku system, we'll see that we are just about to have a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on the daily, but we had a clear price Tenkan-sen cross on the H4 time frame. Let's see how things look like on the H1 time frame. On the H1 time frame, we are just having a bullish Kumo breakout validated by Chiku span, the green line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, which goes above past price action and above the Kumo. And let's see what happened on the M30 time frame. We have a bullish picture here, but we had this deep plunge, and we can theoretically accept this deep plunge here on M15 as the correction we were expecting before entering. Of course, ideally you should enter down here, but it's not as bad to wait to enter now, to enter long at this level, unless you want to wait for stochastics to turn upwards again and enter. So if we enter now on H4 time frame, I will insert a horizontal line here, also an arrow, and text saying that we can buy at 1.3830. Placing our stop loss 150 pips below our entry. And that is 1.3680. 1.3680, and I'm putting it here. So if you are conservative, you can put your stop loss 30 pips below these down fractals here, since we are having a horizontal Kumo, and you will be safe and conservative, and you will avoid big losses in case price reverses. But putting the stop loss down here is even better, since we saw that the biases are bullish. So even if price for a certain period of time turns bearish, you know that it will reverse, and you leave the space for it to fluctuate. So once you start profiting on H4 time frame, having the upper Bollinger Band on the daily time frame as your take profit target, okay, at a price level of 1.39 or 10 to 20 pips below that point, you can set your take profit target. So once you start profiting on H4 time frame, switch immediately to M15 time frame and monitor the trade from there. And when you see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross like the one we see here, a candlestick crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen, Ichimoku Kinko Hyo red line, then exit, save your profits, and wait for the correction to finish, and enter again when you see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross like the one we see here, when a bullish candlestick on M15 time frame crosses and closes above Tenkan-sen, Ichimoku Kinko Hyo red line. Thanks for watching and happy pips!